You're usually awake for several hours even when your body is physically exhausted. You get into bed and nothing happens. Your eyes are wide open, your mind is racing, and you're lying there thinking, why can't I sleep when I'm this tired? If this is you, keep watching, because what I'm about to share with you completely changed how I understood sleep. In this video, I'm going to explain exactly why exhaustion and sleeplessness can exist at the same time, what's actually happening in your body when this happens, and the one thing you can do tonight to break this cycle. My name is Grace. I'm a registered nurse, and I've sat with patients who were running on 2 hours of sleep every single night, not because they wanted to, but because their body simply wouldn't switch off. This is one of the most common and most misunderstood sleep problems I've ever seen. This is what actually happens. Point number 1. Your nervous system doesn't know the day is over. When you're under chronic stress, the long shifts, the deadline, financial pressure, family demands, your body pumps out a hormone called cortisol. Cortisol is your alert hormone. It's designed to keep you sharp and awake. Your body keeps producing it even after the stressor is gone. So you finish work, you come home, you get in bed, but your cortisol is still screaming, stay alert. Your brain hasn't gotten the memo that it's safe to sleep. Point number 2, exhaustion and sleeplessness are two completely different systems. Your tiredness is controlled by something called adenosine, a chemical that builds up the longer you are awake, but the actual ability to fall asleep is controlled by your circadian rhythm and your cortisol level. You can have a full tank of adenosine, meaning you are deeply exhausted and still not fall asleep because your stress hormones are overriding the system. This is why telling yourself, I'm tired, I should be asleep, actually makes it worse. The frustration adds more stress, which in turn adds more cortisol. Point number 3, your bed has become a stressful place. Every night you lie in bed unable to sleep, your brain starts to associate your bed with anxiety and wakefulness. So the moment your head hits the pillow, your brain fires up instead of winding down. This is called conditioned arousal, and it is a clinical pattern I see constantly in high-performing professionals. Now, the quick fix is called the 4-7-8 breathing method. You breathe in through your nose for 4 seconds, you hold it for 7 seconds, you exhale slowly through your mouth for 8 seconds. You repeat 4 times. This directly activates your parasympathetic nervous system, your body's rest and digest mood, and physically lowers your cortisol within minutes. It is not a trick, it is physiology. If this video gave you even one new insight about your sleep, please subscribe. I post science-backed sleep content weekly, specifically for people who can't afford to ignore their health any longer. And tell me in the comment section, does this sound like you? You are always exhausted but wide awake at night. I read every single comment. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.